there is no nation that can prosper. There is no nation can succeed. There is no nation that can excel in corruption, nepotism, and so forth. So when the president declared last week on Monday that he's going to stand in front in fighting corruption, that is my joy. I stand with him.
Very good.
I protect what he said. I support what he said. And I want him to sweep all the corrupt leaders in the country. We cannot advocate. We cannot support. If there are leaders who are squandering people's money, this money is not ours. When I am given GAF to give to the people, if I'm given leadership to stand and guide other people, now we are going to effect and implement GAF, I'm not supposed to consume GAF. So when the president says that he's going to stand and fight corruption, I stand with whoever is in opposition. Opposition in lazima. It has been there. Now I want to assure everyone here, two-term is a movement. Now I want to assure you that William Samoei Ruto will serve a second term in 2027. And he's going to serve his second term with the Professor Kithure Kindiki. And we want to pray and believe and pray for our son that in 2032, Professor Kithure Kindiki will be the next President of the Republic of Kenya. So it's not that we are here for a PR. We are here to declare that we are going to lead the two-term movement. And you'll see the fruits all over in Mount Kenya East. I want to assume by in the next 1 year, Mount Kenya East will just be two-term, led by the woman representative of Tharaka-Nithi County, Susan Goge.